Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatmi binti Abdul Rahman. For introduction is in today's world, energy efficiency and sustainability have become top priorities. Solar power as a renewable energy source offer a viable and environmentally friendly solution to this problem. The amount of sunlight that strikes the Earth's surface in an hour and a half is enough to handle the entire world energy consumption for a full year. Solar technology converts sunlight into electrical energy either through photovoltaic PV panels or through mirrors that concentrate solar radiation. This energy can be used to generate electricity or be stored in batteries or thermal storage. Next, in our project, the solar panel generate electricity and directly supply to the LED and fan.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Husnina binti Muhammad Nasrun. I want to present about objective of our project. Firstly, the aim of this project is to develop electrical technology that facilitates the seamless integration of solar power with LED and fan illumination. Besides, the primary goals are aesthetically create solar system for efficient energy conversion and adaptable LED lighting and fan integration. Last but not least, this creative approach offers a chance to create a one-of-a-kind product that has the potential to completely transform how we produce and use energy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Harit bin Zakaria and I will tell about our design of the lighting system. So our project will be using solar power to generate electricity from the sun. Thus, using the solar panel, it will convert the energy received from the sun into power. The operation is when the solar material installed inside solar panel with glass casing, which is the material either silicon or other semiconductor material exposed to the photons of sunlight, which is a very small package of energy. It releases electrons and produces electric charge called Coulomb. The photovoltaic panels then creates an electric current, specifically direct current DC, which is captured by the wiring in solar panels. So back to the presented wiring diagram design of ours, wiring diagram design of the solar panel that will light the house lighting and fan system. On the right side uh, is the solar panel where we will then connect it in parallel to the three switches in the top right, which is right here, three switches. And then as seen in the diagram, one switch is connected to one LED, which is the middle switches connected to one LED, and then which is the porch light. This is the porch segment, and then the second switch, the right side, is we connected it to the fan and two LEDs, which is one in the bedroom and another one is in the toilet cubicle, and then the third switch, which is the left side switch, is connected to a three LEDs, which is this left side, and a fan, which is installed in the living room area. This part is, we call it the living room area. And then each switch, since it is connected in parallel, it will not interfere with the other switch or intensity of light, since each branch is receiving the same amount of voltage. Next, in the simulation part, so here I will explain about the simulation part. I will show you about the running program of the design system as presented. is the simulation program using Proteus 8. It is a complete simulation software that offers many components of electronics to be used, and some can be imported like the solar panel. From the fan, simulation is used by the DC motor that can either produce electricity or produce kinetic energy when given electricity. In the simulation, we will use its function into a fan by giving it electricity. We also use voltmeter and ammeter to measure how much current and voltage is in each branch. The voltage, however, is receiving some same amount of input because it is connected in parallel. So since we are using the solar panels, mm, the output of the panel is affected by intensity of the sunlight. So on a sunny day, a solar panel will typically produce between 15 to 19 volt of power. And then similarly at night, the output of the solar panel may fluctuates from 2 voltage to a 6 voltage range. And on a foggy day, it might range from 8 volt to 12 voltage. So we change since we are using solar panel on a sunny day, we change it to a 16.5 voltage. And then we're gonna play the start button. As we can see, switch number 1, it will light up the LED number 1, which is situated in the porch light. And then switch number 2, it will light up the fan in the bedroom, and also the light in the bedroom, and also the toilet lighting. And switch number 3 will light up the fan, the other one fan, and the three others living room LED light. So each one of these is connected in parallel, so it can be used either individually, so it will not, there will be there will be no excessive use of energy. Switch number 3, and switch number 2, and switch number 1. So if all the switch is turned on, the current that we will receive, the total current we will receive is 22.7 amps. And since it is connected in parallel, each branch and circuit will receive same amount, which is 16.5 voltage. Also, we can see fan the fan current is about 0.13 amperes. Also, we see on the switch number 1, there is 3.78 amperes only that the LED use.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel Fitri. So today I will be presenting about our project, which is solar generated power to power up house electricity. In this project, we're gonna use a solar panel as the generated power, which is DC generated, to power up motor, which is the fan, and LED, which is the downlight in the house. So this is the prototype of our project. So here we're gonna see the wiring that we did for the project. This house contain several compartment, which is the master bedroom, the living room, the porch, and the bathroom. So first of all, we're gonna see the master bedroom first. This is the master bedroom. The fan is running, the light also running properly. Okay, next up we're gonna go to see the living room. This is the living room. So the living room, fan and light also working. Next we're gonna see the porch. Okay, the light and porch also lit up. Alright. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.